Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Himanshu, and in this video we are going to understand a very important substitute function. It works like replace, but replace do its work on the basis of position, as I've told you, and substitute works on the basis of text, means this is going to replace text from text. So in order to demonstrate this, I'm going to write recite twice in a single sentence, and I want to replace recites with leaves, so here I'm going to apply substitute. Now as a text I'm going to give this cell. Old text is recites, so in quotation I'm typing recites. New text is leaves, so I'm typing leaves. Instance number I'm not giving right now, so let's see. And here you may find that in place of recites, leaves is coming. It doesn't matter how many times recite is being used in this particular sentence, it will do the replacement. What is this instance number is for? So comma, and as an instance number if I'm giving 1, so the first recite is going to replace with leaves, the second one is not. And if I'm going to give the instance number as 2, then only the second one will change, the first one will not. Similarly 3, 4, 5 you may give. So this is how substitute function works, but this is something very important. I'm going to demonstrate a bit more examples. Okay, you have ever wondered that how you can write in multiple lines. Let's say I am typing a name Ram Kumar Sharma, so I'm typing Ram. Now Kumar I want to type in a next line, so you need to press Alt Enter like this. Kumar, again Alt Enter, Sharma. Okay, my name Himanshu Kumar Thar, so I'm typing Himanshu, Alt Enter, Kumar, and Thar. Now this Alt Enter can be recalled with the function character 10, which is this function character, and in the bracket you need to type 10. This is going to recall Alt Enter. Here it will not give any output, but if I'm typing it with the help of find, what a find text, what you are looking for, I'm looking for character 10. This means I'm looking for Alt Enter within text where you're looking for in this particular cell, so it will give me the position of 4, that is RAM Ram, and then I pressed Alt Enter, so that's the position of 4. Now if you have got the data like this and you need to change this data into space, so substitute function will be very helpful here. So you are going to apply substitute. The text will be this, comma, old text is character 10, comma, and the new text is space. No need to give instance number, you may have the result. And if you have got the result like this and you need to convert it into a different line, then again you need to apply substitute. Text is this one, old text is space, and new text is character 10. Enter, and click here. Once you have done this, click on the wrap text, so you will have the answer. So this was substitute function, very important. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.